Installing LUTs is actually pretty easy. Once you have DaVinci started up, in the bottom corner, you're just going to click on the gear, and then you're going to click on Color Management, scroll down to Lookup Tables, and open LUT folder. Once you open that, it goes right to where the LUT folder is on your hard drive. You can drag and drop the LUTs into this folder. I would recommend putting them into a folder. It makes them a little easier when selecting LUTs. So once you do that, you're just going to X out of this and then click Update List. Once you have the list updated, you can come over to the Color tab. You should be able to right click, go down to 3D LUTs, and you should see your LUTs in here then. And you'd be able to just then click on one of your LUTs. If I actually clicked on a LUT. So there you go. It's that easy. It's actually pretty simple. I make tutorials on how to color grade. You should check them out. What else am I supposed to say here? Oh, thanks for watching.